What if I told you anyone, literally anyone, could go from $0 to a million without luck, rich parents, or a magic shortcut? Most people never try because fear paralyzes them, but every millionaire started somewhere, usually with nothing. It all begins with mindset. Your mind is your first and most valuable asset. If you don't believe you can grow, you'll never take the first step. Fear is the silent killer of dreams, but the moment you face it and move anyway is when real progress begins. Action beats planning. Take the first step, even if it's tiny, and momentum will compound. Start small. Each $10, $50, or $100 matters because consistent small wins build massive results. Your skills are your true currency, so learn, practice, and experiment every day. Most beginners chase money, but value creation is the true path. Solve problems, serve others, and wealth follows. Focus on big problems. The bigger the pain you solve, the greater the reward. Find your niche through trial and error, then work smart, not just hard, focusing on high-impact actions that scale. Leverage money, time, skills, and connections to multiply results exponentially. Failure isn't defeat. It's feedback that teaches what works and what doesn't. Track your numbers because if it can't be measured, it can't be managed. Your network is your net worth. Align with people who inspire and challenge you. Invest early, live below your means, automate and delegate, and stay consistent because slow, repeated actions compound into extraordinary results. Reinvest profits, adapt to change, and take calculated risks, building multiple streams of income. Never stop learning and always give back because true wealth is measured in impact as much as in dollars. From $0 to $1 million is possible if you start small, stay consistent, learn, adapt, and never give up. The journey is long but worth it. And if this inspired you even a little, subscribe. More life-changing business truths are coming.